Hello everybody, I'm Peter Regan. I'm the Director and Health and Safety Manager of Quidos Cleaning Services. So today we've got a commercial kitchen that we're going to clean. So I'm going to show you some footage of what it looks like before, and then we'll take another video after. We will also be cleaning the extraction system today to TR19 standards. And here's the finished job. Clean the extraction canopy to TR19 standards.
Ready to reclaim your kitchen's confidence? Get a free quote today. Call us at 0191 731 8555 or visit our website to learn more. Quidos Cleaning Services. Sparkling clean kitchens, happy chefs.